Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, back with our next watercolor fun project. I've got my water, my medium paintbrush, my praying watercolors, and today we're using a pencil. So my name is Heidi, and I'm going to draw the outline of a block H for Heidi. You can do your initial. You could do M for mom, or D for dad, or G for your grandparent, or whatever letter you want to do. Your initial, somebody else's initial, whatever. You're going to very lightly sketch that in pencil. And then we're going to be careful to go around the outside of that initial. And we're painting right up to the line, but we're not filling in the letter. And we're going to have a lot of fun with blending. We're going to use some extra water on our brush so that it flows really nicely. And then you just pick a color and make sure that the next color blends right into it so that the watercolor can play and do what watercolor does. It's really fun to watch. So we're just going to do that all the way around, filling up all of the space around our letter. So I will speed this up now, and you can watch as I fill in all the space around my letter. And then once it's dry, I'll come back in, and with our fine tip Sharpie that we have used before, I'm going to trace around the H once more just to help that stand out and look a little more intentional. And like I usually do, I'll go around it twice so that my lines look intentionally wonky rather than like I messed up. So once you're done watching, then it's your turn to try. Happy painting.